Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your DMARC records for Klaviyo and Shopify. So let's climb in. So the first thing we're going to do is go over to Klaviyo. On our homepage on the left hand side, you're going to go ahead down to the bottom. You're going to look for your profile picture and the name of your account, and we're going to look for settings. So once we're in settings, we'll see a bunch of items right at the top over here. We want to look for email, and from email you want to go down and look for domains. Now what you will essentially do here is where it says branded sending domain, right? If there's nothing here, what you will essentially see is the option to add. So we're going to go ahead and click on add. Here you're going to enter the appropriate information. Okay, so this is the domain that you purchased or registered a domain registrar, and it reflects your brand's website domain. So this is your main website. This is your sending domain. Okay, so this is the subdomain that will be used to send emails from Klaviyo. And this is what it will essentially look like, and we're going to click on next. So make sure that you add that appropriate information in there. From here, this option may differ. So it says select your DNS provider, essentially where you got your domain from. So just click on the appropriate option. You're going to go ahead now, log into that account. All right, and you're going to jump into the domain section. You're going to go to the domain settings, and you're going to select DNS and navigate to the DNS management page. We're going to click on next, and over here it says you need to update your DNS records to point in the appropriate values in your DNS provider. Now, of course, this will be different for every provider, so navigate through to your DNS provider and make the appropriate changes. Once you're done with this, you can just click on verify records and save. Now, this will take some time to update, but essentially you are complete. Now, doing this in Klaviyo, doing this in Shopify will be very similar, and essentially you are updating these records over here. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead, jump into our channel. We've got tons of Klaviyo content, we've got tons of Shopify content, and we'll see you over there. Peace out.